Hey guys, so in this video we're going to introduce each vector tool in Affinity 2025. Then we'll take a quick look at what the vector tools do, where to find them, and how to use them in real design work. Then this video is the starting point for beginners and those who are interested in graphics design as a whole. Yeah, so let's begin. Alright guys, let's get started with downloading Affinity. So we're going to go to affinity.studio. Awesome. So we can see the button here to download and sign up to download here also. But let's go to the website a bit too. Let's scroll down. And you get to see some of the things you can use for vector designs, pixel design. These are the layouts. You can play it to see how it's actually being used. So let's get to downloading it. You can also transition if you're a Photoshop user, with the Adobe Photoshop. You can also use Affinity and import your PSD files into this place. Then, alright. So you can sign up here. If you're a Mac OS user or a Windows user, you can choose to download depending on the device that you use. So me, I use a Windows PC. So sign up to download. Then in order for me to continue this download, I need to have a Canva account. So you can create one here and continue with Google or use your email. So for sake of video, let me use Google account. Okay. Alright, so now I can download either for a Mac OS. Of course, I'm a Windows user and I'm not using a ARM based laptop, so I use an Intel processor. So if you're using an AMD processor, you can also use this. You can also download this particular through this particular link. Then I click on the Windows, and it's going to start downloading immediately. Right, so start downloading. Yeah. Alright, so when it downloads, you can install it. Then in the next video we'll meet at the interface.